All right, guys, welcome to the channel. So this is my Class A RV. It has the Lippert hydraulic leveling system to it. So the feet come down, the levelers has 4 levelers on it. I'm installing this SnapPad, and this is actually a pad that goes onto the foot of the leveler. And 3 of the other hydraulic jacks on the RV have these on there. When I bought this, it was missing one. So I'm installing this one. So I want to give you a couple tips, just show you how easy it is to install these. So let's get started here. So I'm onto the front here, and you can see this is the leveler foot that we're going to install this on. The other one on this side, the driver's side, you can see has the SnapPad already installed. And this one must have fallen off or something. I don't know what happened to this one. I didn't get the real story on this. So you can't just push it on there. You have to use the weight of the RV to snap this onto it. To get started here, I'm going to use some dish soap. And I'm just going to drizzle it along the edge here. It almost needs this to be able to snap into it, because there's a lip inside of these. There's a lip that the metal plate will fit into, but it has to snap past the edge first in order to get on there. Hence the name SnapPad. It just snaps on basically. And these shouldn't fall off. I don't know what happened to the last one, but we're just going to put some dish soap on the edge here. This is going to help kind of lubricate it so it snaps down over it. All right, now what I'm going to do is I want to get it relatively close to where it needs to go. Okay, so I want to line it up kind of like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in to the RV, turn on the engine, and I want to lower it manual. I'm going to put it in manual mode. I want to manually lower this down to about right there, and then make sure it's lined up perfectly. And then I'll lower it down even more. So with this particular RV, I can't lower this one down by itself. It has to be either the front 2 or this side 2. So I'll just probably lower the fronts down. So I'm at the control panel here. I got my power on. The jacks are up, and I'm going to go into, I'm going to use the arrow button and go to manual, enter manual. Okay, so I'm going to go to front, and I'm going to slowly lower them down until it's close to...
Stop!
Okay, so right there, I'm kind of line it up a little bit here. Okay, along this back edge, it doesn't look like the lip is all the way over the edge of the jack pad, so I just want to run this screwdriver around the edge. Run the screwdriver over the edge just to flip the edge of it. This side looks good here. Now this step isn't necessary, but I'm taking my drill and drilling out these holes so that way water, when it gets on top of the pad and on the top of this foot, it will be able to drain through the bottom. Okay, as you saw, it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple to install. Be sure to see the link down in the description and the comments down below. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.